Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This video is about the covariance of two random variables. Let x and y be two random variables with the joint probability distribution fxy. Then the covariance of x and y is a numeric measure of the extent to which their values tend to increase or decrease together. In short, covariance measures that how the two variables vary together. It means that if we have two random variables and also we have their joint probability distribution, the covariance would measure that how the change in one variable cause the change in other variable. Whether change in one variable is causing the change in other or not, or if causing the change, which type of change. So information about all this can be obtained from the covariance. So this covariance is denoted by sigma xy or covariance xy, and it is calculated using the formula sigma xy is equal to expected value of x minus mu x multiplied by y minus mu y, or expected value of x multiplied by y minus mu x into mu y, where mu x mu y represent the expectation of x and expectation of y. If covariance of two random variable x and y comes out to be 0, it would indicate there is no linear relationship between two variables. No linear relationship between two random variables, but it doesn't mean that they don't have any type of relationship. They may have some non-linear relationship. If covariance of xy is less than 0, it would indicate that the two variables are inversely related. Inversely related means that if one variable increases, the other would decrease, meaning thereby they would change in opposite directions. If covariance of xy is greater than 0, the two random variables are directly related. Directly related means they would change in the same direction. If one variable increases, the other also increases. If one decreases, the other also decreases. Now we have an example in which we would learn how to calculate the covariance between x and y. Here we have a joint probability distribution of two random variables x and y, where the values of y are 0, 1, 2 and 3, and values of x are 0, 1, 2. And these are the joint probabilities for x and y, and we can see that here we have gx, that is the marginal probability distribution of x, and h of y, which is the marginal probability distribution of y. Now for the calculation of covariance of x, we have this formula sigma xy is equal to expectation of xy minus expectation of x into expectation of y. First we would calculate expectation of x and expectation of y. So mu x or expectation of x would be equal to summation x into g of x. We would utilize the marginal probability distributions, and here we can see that the value of x is 0 with the probability 0.2, 1 with the probability 0.5 and 2 with the probability 0.3. Using these values we would calculate mu x, that is 0 into 0.2 plus 1 into 0.5 plus 2 into 0.3. See here, and the answer is 1.1. Similarly, expectation of y would be 0 multiplied by 0.1 plus 1 multiplied by 0.3 plus 2 multiplied by 0.5 plus 3 multiplied by 0.15, and finally the result is 1.65. In the next step we would calculate the expectation of xy, that is double summation xy into fxy. For this we again have joint probability table. See this table. Here the values of y and x are same, and these joint probabilities are same. Now we would make some more calculations to find the expectation of x multiplied by y. See, first value of x is 0, first value of y is 0, and their joint probability is 0.05. So 0 multiplied by 0 multiplied by 0.5, answer is 0. Again 0 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 0.05, answer is 0. 0 multiplied by 2 multiplied by this probability 0. 0 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 0, answer is 0. Now come towards the next value of x. 1 multiplied by 0 multiplied by probability 0. 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 0.1, this is the answer. 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 0.25, this is the answer. So in the square, blue squares or rectangles, we have the product of x value multiplied by y value multiplied by their corresponding joint probability. See, 2 multiplied by 2, 4 multiplied by 0.1, 0.4. 2 multiplied by 3, 6 multiplied by 0.5, answer is 0.3. So in these blue squares, we have x multiplied by y multiplied by joint probability. We need their double summation. Double summation means we would sum them 2 times. So get the sum of first column in the blue squares, 0, 0, 0, answer is 0. 0 plus 0.1 plus 0.3, answer is this. 0 plus 0.5 plus 0.4, answer is this. 0 plus 0.3 plus 0.3, answer is 0.6. Now we have summed the column and again get a sum of this row. So we have summed 2 times. So these 2 sums would give us 1.9. So this value is the double summation of x multiplied by y multiplied by joint probability, that is 1.9. And if you get the sum of first row, sum of second row, sum of third row, write it here and again sum this column, answer would again be 1.9. Now put this value in the formula of covariance. Expectation of x multiplied by y minus mu x into mu y. The answer is 0.085, which is a positive number. And it indicates that x and y are directly related. So if fx would increase, the y would also increase. If x or y, one of them would decrease, the other would also decrease.